Lions do have a nemesis out here on the grasslands, and they come with their own signature sound. In certain characteristics, some animals just seem more twisted by the curse than others. The spotted hyena doesn't rank very high on most folks' favorite animal list. It more often evokes feelings of disgust, not warm fuzzies. Disney really didn't help them on that front. Known for their wild and creepy laugh, these are the continent's most successful hunters, and they use their powerful jaws to chew and eat even the bones and hooves of their prey. Their bite force is stronger than a lion's, they outnumber lions, and they hate lions. They hunt in packs called cackles or clans, and are led by the females, doing most of their hunting by night. They are not ambush sprinters. Rather, they are high-endurance marathoners and usually run their prey to utter exhaustion. Contrary to what many assume, hyenas are not primarily scavengers. Hyenas actually kill the majority of their prey. Lions do the same, killing what they can, stealing what they can. But the competition between these top predators is more personal than just food. Hyenas kill lion cubs every chance they get. Lions return the favor, and so the blood feud continues. Hyenas wouldn't dare brawl with a lion one-on-one, but when a giggling pack finds a single lion feeding, a fight is guaranteed. When the first hyenas find this lioness, she is scavenging a large kill all alone, without a sister in sight. She's obviously hungry, and she's determined to get as much down as she can before a battle begins. Soon the cackling clan is too numerous and too aggressive, but she refuses to concede. Yowling for backup throughout the fight, she holds on as long as possible, hoping that her pride, or any lion, is close enough to hear her and respond. Just one sister would tip the battle in her favor, but if she waits too long, she won't survive. And no sister is coming.